Flowers. Flowers make up the majority of color we see in nature. They are abundant all over the world, constantly competing with each other for space and resources. In order for plants to take over a space, one factor is more important than all others: reproduction. There are two main ways plants reproduce: by wind or by animal. Many animals rely on the pollen or nectar that flowers produce as a main food source. Incidentally, while they are foraging for their food, they are helping the flowers reproduce by moving pollen from one flower to another. With this advantage in mind, many plants have evolved traits specifically to attract pollinators, such as the vibrant colors and strong aromas we know flowers for today. As the flowering plants succeeded, competition among them increased, and some plants found new and interesting ways to stand out from their already colorful competitors. Iridescence. As opposed to the normal way plants are colored, with pigments in their tissues, iridescent plants have waxy ridges along their surfaces that reflect light in different ways depending on the angle at which the light hits their ridges. This creates the effect of changing color as you move around the plant. What advantage might this give a plant? Well, researcher Beverly Glover found that not only were bees, who are massive contributors to pollination, able to see iridescent colors, but also increase foraging speed on flowers with those colors. This means that once they were able to find food on one flower, they were able to identify a flower of the same species quicker if it was iridescent than if it was colored with normal pigments. Along with attracting pollinators, there are other reasons iridescence evolved many times. A lot of plants with iridescent leaves live in the understory of tropical forests or jungles. One key component that makes them iridescent is iridoplast. This is a highly modified version of chloroplast that is specialized for photosynthesis in very low light areas, such as the understory. This allows them to live and prosper despite the shade from the trees towering above them. Iridescent plants are extremely fascinating and beautiful, so make sure to keep an eye out for changing colors on your next walk through nature.